Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day today. I've put out a total of 3 videos, so I'm pretty sure that this is a record right now, but third time's a charm because we do have a Runnn glitch. So go ahead, start putting on your tennis shoes, go ahead and clip your coupons, all that good stuff. Let's get ready to run to Dollar General, all right? So before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any deals. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. All right, guys, I am back. We have a little change of scenery here, but I wanted to tell you guys about this deal. Husband's using the kitchen table at the moment. So, here is this Runnn glitch. First off, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Debra Williams-Bus for letting me know about this deal this morning. I was in the middle of uploading the other 2 videos. I had to get those out first before I could run to the store and try it out. But I finally made it, and I did it, and it worked out perfectly. So, we have a glitch on the Werther's candy. If you watched my flip through of my inserts this morning, you saw that we had 4 inserts to start with. But we have this Smart Source. Mine has the Huggies on the front. And inside, we have 1 off 2 Werther's. This one right here. This one is the one that you want. So, again, big shout out, thank you to Debra. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel linked down in the pinned comment below. Make sure you go over there and subscribe to her channel. She just hit 1,000 subscribers. So big congratulations again. I am so happy for you. So here's the glitch. I know she is out running around at the stores right now picking up some for herself as well. So here's the glitch. The Werther's candy is on sale. Buy 2, get 1 for free. Okay. We have 1 off 2 insert coupons. So what you want to do is go to the store, scan them, make sure that they pull up, that they are underneath that sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. I picked up the creamy caramel filled and the chewy caramels. That's all that they had at my store. So I threw all of those in my buggy. I scanned them to make sure that they were ringing up the sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. Here's what you want to do when you get to the register. Hand 2 over. Hand them a coupon. Pull 2 more out of your cart, hand them a coupon. Pull 2 more out of your cart, hand them a coupon. You need 3 of these 1 off 2 insert coupons, okay? 3 of them. And these came out in today's Sunday newspapers. And again, I'm not sure if they will fix this. This is the first time that I've been able to get in on this glitch. We've had this happen before, but my area didn't get the Werther's insert coupons. So I'm not sure how long this will last. I'm not sure if they normally fix it or not. But anyways, so scan 2, hand them a coupon. Scan 2 more, hand them a coupon. Scan 2 more, hand them a coupon. And then ring everything else up. And I'm pretty sure, you know, if you have anything else that you want to throw on the back end of it, you can do that too. But then, you know, just do that first. And then take care of your other stuff, you know, on the back end. Alright, so here is my receipt. I ended up picking up a total of 21 bags. These are $1 each. There's that manufacturer coupon. Store savings, 50 cents. There's a manufacturer coupon right there, $1 off. Store savings, 50 cents. $1 off coupon. And then there's a 99-cent discount. And then there's store discounts all the way down here. It takes off 99 cents, 99 cents, 99 cents, 99 cents, 99 cents, all the way down. And then down there at the bottom, there's one 50-cent discount and a 50-cent discount. Subtotal, $2.14 for 21 bags. Great deal. And where did my little notes here go? So that makes these about 10 cents each. From my understanding, all of the Werther's candies that are $1, these little peg bags, that they're working. So just make sure that you scan them all. Make sure that that sale is coming up. Buy 2, get 1 for free. And then again, when you go up to the register, hand them 2 bags out of your cart, hand them a coupon. Hand 2 bags out of your cart, hand them a coupon. Hand 2 bags out of your cart, hand them another coupon, and that's all you need. 3 insert coupons, all right? So there was the first deal that I did, and of course I looked for some more glitches while I was there, so I did this little deal right here. My son needed some ibuprofen. He kind of has a really bad sprained ankle right now. And then I also wanted to try the Snickers brownies because I did not get to the store last week to try this deal. So this is still a go. This is still a good deal to do. Pick up 4. I'm not exactly sure what the sale is. I think it's buy one, get one for free. I'll pop it up here on the screen for you. But it works out to be 20 cents. They're buy one, get one free. We have a buy 3, get one free digital coupon. And then we also have a 75 cents off 2 manufacturer coupon. So all of those work together. And 4 of these equals 20 cents. Okay. So great deal. And then I also picked up the Colgate Cavity Protection. This is 4.0 ounces. Found in the dollar aisle. We just received a 2-off-1 digital coupon this morning that makes these free, plus gives you $1 in overage. So really great deal. On the Motrin, I could have picked up the dollar store brand or whatever, but they were completely out. But I picked up the 24-count Motrin. We also just received a digital coupon for these. This was $4.35. And a $2 off coupon makes those $2.35 with the $1 in overage. My subtotal was $1.55 for 6 items. And again, where did I put my notes? Sorry, guys. So that works out to be about 25 cents each. So that's a pretty good little deal. Again, I was in a hurry. I really wanted to get this this glitch out to you guys, so that you can get to the store before the shelves are cleared. All right. Okay, so again, 25 cents each there, 10 cents each here, and you can pick up as many of the Werthers that they have. This was just all that my store had on the shelves. So, again, scan 2, hand them a coupon. Scan 2, hand them a coupon. Scan 2, hand them a coupon, and then hand them all of the rest that you have, okay? Alright, guys. Good luck. Let me know if you score down in the comment section below. I hope you guys can get in on this deal. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can get out and grab this deal before it's gone. Now, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below. And also, let me know if you score the Werther's glitch. And also, please take a second and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. Good luck to each and every one of you guys, and I will see you on the next